Okay, so these two are done. So I just do the rest of these. So this one here, I think this one will go all right, full helicoil. This one over here, I think it'll be probably a shorter one again. Now the ones that have holes you can go all the way through, you can just wind the helicoil all the way down. It comes out the other side. You don't have to bring it back up like I did. Makes it a little easier. This one will be another one you have to pull back up. Yeah, we'll see. Come on, go in the hole. There it goes. For some reason, this thing does not want to come out of the hole. Looks like it's bent out. Let's go down and buy used tools. They don't always work correctly. Alright, let's get this out. So this has a little flat spot on the side, round on this side, flat on this side. Well, actually it's flat all the way around, all the sides. Alright, just click that in a little bit. So you lay it flat against a piece of metal, hit it flat, it should straighten it back down flat. Assuming it's bent. Goes in a lot easier than it did, so that's a good sign. Still a little tight though. Okay, so that one is the required depth there, and it did not come out the bottom, so that means we got full length, which is a good thing. Okay, the tang is on this side over here. The screwdriver is just too damn big to go in this hole. It pushes in the middle of the tang instead of on the edge like I want it to. This is my smallest screwdriver, I think. What can I use besides this? I think a little small Allen wrench might do a better job. This fits the hole. Tang partially came down. Keep losing my screwdriver. There it is. There it is. Little tang. Okay. There you go. That's how you do them. Alright. Do a few more of these. You can either skip ahead or go next video, your choice. I'm going to screw up some more here. Get some of that content filler. You never know, I might have some highlights in here. I might screw something up and have to fix it. So when you jump ahead, you run the risk of missing the screw ups. Alright, here's that one. That one looks really short. I'm going to shorten that one helicoil. This one's long enough. full turn more to go yet on that side. This side here we're pretty good, so just a little extra. Make sure it's below the surface. And let's see if we can bump this one off again. That one we missed. Yeah, that one disappeared. Yep. Clean break, it's gone. Yep. I like it when I can't find my pieces that fall off. Play that video back in super slow-mo so you can see where it went. It is not hanging around. At least not that I can see. And it doesn't appear to be anywhere in the vicinity. Pretty sure that one went down on that red floor down there. So when it goes down on the red floor, you can't find anything. Alright, next one. This one I'm going to clip at one coil. These are my favorite dikes for clipping, old proto set. I snapped these off once decades ago. Still works just fine broken. One helicoil shorter. Yeah, might have got away with that without cutting it. Close. Yeah, it might have worked. Yeah, that's about all that's under there though. It'd be maxed out. That's okay. That didn't pop off anyway. It should still be hanging out. Oh, look at that, it's hanging out. Gone. Okay, doing this side now. It just went away someplace. Yeah, went somewhere. It's no longer in the hole. Probably laying down there somewhere. Okay, so got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. Got 3 more over here yet to do. Let's overhang the edge over there so the head sits flat. It's always best to have the head sitting flat. Less chance of doing damage to the gasket surface. Okay. Yeah, these are kind of real thin. I don't think that's going to take a full helicoil. It's radiused off pretty good on that corner. Yeah, I'd be shocked if it took that whole thing. I'll try over here, this one. So these should take full lengths, but they're so close, they're right maximum length, so I don't really know for sure until you put them in there. Yeah. That's maxed. Yep. Helicoil is about half a turn low on this side, and if you look right here, it's flush right here, but it will break over there where it's not flush, so it'll be just makes it. But if we break it from the other side, it'll probably pop the helicoil out. So we'll pop it from this side. I heard it hit the ground down there. You pop it that way, the helicoil stays in the thread. If you go the other way, it might pop out. Then you have to put it back in. The problem if you bend it, which you probably do, it's going to have a memory to stick out like a hang tooth. Kind of like that one I pulled out was. Not good. Okay, so that was max. This one's definitely going to shorten it. Take a full helicoil off of this one. That helicoil is below the surface still half a turn, and we are flush on that side, so it needs a half a turn. Still don't want to go in there. It's good on that side, and you can see the helicoil right there. So the tank's hanging like this. It's connected here and turning down as the gap is here. So you want to hit it right up here toward the top. Like that. Good sharp blow, easy what does it. This actually gives you a better, quicker blow than your hand does. But just showing you how to do things. You don't have to use the right tools. You can do it more than one way. You can see how the helicoil is no longer there. The tang is gone. That's a good one. Alright, look at our last ones over here. This one should be able to take a full one, I think. Yeah, I think it can make it. Find out. It's jammed up, I don't want to go. There goes that time. When things don't want to go, stop. Don't force them. Figure out what the problem is. Okay, that's flushed on the top right now. And on the bottom, ooh, you can see how you only got one turn above the surface there. So it was close. Drop down in there. It does not want to go in there. There it goes. Half a turn. Looks good on that side. You see how we're barely below the surface, about half a turn below on this one also. So Once again, we're going to do this backwards. This time we're going to use our little hammer. So helicoils on the top. Okay. So right here, there's a tang. I saw where it popped out at. Alright, no damage on the threads. I'm good to go. Alright, 9 done. No problem at all. If you want to put your tool in there and test them out, you can. It's up to you. Go that far. Comes out the bottom down there, you know you're good. There you go, it's coming out the bottom. There it is, right there. So it goes all the way in, the same torque all the way, because it's got that pinch helicoil in there, which puts a tension on. It's a spring. It's like having a lock washer on it. Helps keep them in there. No Loctite required. It doesn't damage the screw. If the helicoil is in there wrong, it would be tearing up the thread in there real quick. Alright, there you go. That's how you do it. Clean all this up. Let's get the heads put together.